This conference will now be recorded.
So guys, yesterday we are doing brochure, company opening brochure. So today we'll continue with that. We'll continue with that. Okay. Are you able to listen, guys? Guys, I'm asking you. So actually what we are doing, it went yesterday. So maybe it's gone, I guess. Well, we'll delete this and we'll create again. We'll do brochure again today. So what for brochure thing, what you need to do is you should take a new document, new page. So to create new page, go to file menu and click on new and you will be getting this. Okay. So in that you'll be having size and customize everything you'll be having. So in that you can take. So you can take as a letter or a A4 something like that you can take. So letter is the default size and here it will take by default inches. If you take letter by defaultly it will take height and width of it, and it should be in landscape only because I'm doing a brochure, not the poster. So for brochure I'm taking landscape here. Guys, are you able to listen? Answer me, no, guys. Answer me, no. So okay, here the resolution we can give 300 and just give okay here. And after that what you need to do is just take the rectangle tool, just take the rectangle tool, take the rectangle tool and just from the corner Drag it from the corner to this corner. Drag it like this. So drag it like this. So if it's not getting properly, you can do it from first. So just drag it like this, drag it from the first and do it like this. So after that, what you need to do is I'm giving white color to it and I'm removing the stroke outline. I'm removing. And remember guys, whenever you are doing, either it is a logo or a brochure or poster, anything it is, anything, if there is need of outline, you can give there. If no need of outline or no professional work has a outline, that's why if your work should be professional means you need to remove those outlines. So if you want to remove, click right side on your mouse here, so it will remove, it will get removed like this. And after that, what you need to do is take a pick tool and right click on that, and in order, right click and you'll be getting this option in that lock object. So lock it. So you can lock it, you can see here it has locked. So after that, what you need to do is just take the rectangle tool, just take the rectangle tool and draw it like this, and just duplicate it to get other side. Duplicate it. For duplication, press Ctrl D and take the pick tool and keep it here. So just duplicate it and keep it on the other side, and again duplicate it. Should be like this. So now you got this. So just take it till here, take this till here. So now you got this. After doing this, what you need to do is, so after doing this, you need to draw triangle. Yesterday we did that, no, triangle. So I used triangle only and I arranged with the shape tool. Again I'll show that. Just left click on this polygon or else take polygon. If you want a perfect size, perfect shape means you need to press control and drag it. You'll get perfect shape. After, you just adjust the point. If you are giving 3 points, three sides means it is triangle. If you are giving four means diamond, it will form. So how many points you will give, that that's how the shape will form. So give 3 points here. In the property bar you will be having here, so points or sides. So just arrange or give the sides how much you want. Take this, and now you got this triangle. Take a pick tool and click on that. You'll be getting this rotation. So go to corner of it and rotate it. Rotate it like this. And after that, what you need to do is click again be getting this, arrange it properly. So decrease the size of it little, decrease it, and then you can arrange it here. So just zoom it, zoom it, and arrange it properly. Zoom it and arrange it properly like this. And after, what you need to do is, so So I took the pen tool here and I draw the triangle which we did yesterday. So till here we did yesterday. So I draw the triangle and I'm putting it back. I'm setting that triangle to back. So if I want to put the triangle to back means I should select that first. I should select that, and after that, what you need to do is just to click right side on your mouse, and you'll be getting this option, and in that order and back of layer, and select this and order and back of layer, back of page, and select this. So unlock the object, and now you give order and back of page. Now you got this. So after getting it like this, I'll be taking diamond shape. So if I want diamond shape, again I'll take polygon. So if I want the perfect diamond shape means I'll hold control and drag, and after that I'll adjust the side as for I'll get diamond, and after that I'll take a pick tool and I'll decrease the size of it, and again we'll duplicate and we'll arrange, again we'll duplicate and we'll arrange, duplicate and we'll arrange like this, arrange it like this. Okay, just zoom it like this, and select this and arrange it properly, and arrange it properly, and select this also, and select this and arrange it properly like this. And after arranging this, what you need to do is, so I'll be putting four picture inside of this diamonds, and before that I'll be writing our business name here. So I'll just give name as a business only, and when you are creating your own business, or when you are doing it, you can just keep the business name. So I'll write as a HS creations like that, something HS creations like this. And when you are doing with the text, remember you should use only 2 to 3 text, not more than that. And the colors also, don't use much color, more colors, use only 2 to 3 colors. Okay, and I'm giving a company name as HS creations like this, and I'm selecting this, I'm giving some other fonts. So I'm giving Times New Roman font, and when I'm giving one font, I should continue with that only. So, and after I'll be giving color also. So I'll give the color as this. Give the color as this. Fill color also this. And again I'll bold it. So now just increase the size little. So after that I'll arrange it here. So I'll arrange here, and we'll just increase the size a little. This will increase size little like this. So little decrease. Mm. We'll arrange it. Delete all this. Control Z if you goes wrong. Control Z. Undo is for Control Z is undo. Delete this. Delete this. And now you duplicate this. Control D and duplicate it and put it perfectly on the shape. Again duplicate it. So again Control D, and it's in big size. So just we'll move this diamond side like this. This also. So just arrange. If you can't arrange with the mouse, you can arrange this with the arrows also. Keyboard arrows. You can arrange this with the keyboard arrows also. So now you can just duplicate it and arrange here. And after that, and after that, and I'll take a text tool and I'll give here. It's a graphic designing studio. So graphic designing. So arrange it here and decrease the font size little. Decrease to 18. And this also will decrease the size to 18, and we'll put this here. So arrange it properly like this. It's a graphic designing studio. So HS Creation Graphic Designing Studio. And after that you can give some websites or address here. You can give some address like that, okay? Here in this X address part. So I'll just give address only. Address part you can give here in this, okay? Here you can give some addresses. Address and other things. Location, address, perfect, exact location, address you can give it here. And this for address part. And you can arrange it little here. and you can increase a little this, and you can arrange it here. Now it's good. And we should import some pictures inside of this diamond shapes. So we'll put some pictures later, and we'll finish the text things and everything other things. And I told you before only how to insert picture inside the shape. So I told you before only about it when we are doing the resto of a brochure only. I told you how to insert picture. So we'll do it again. So but before that, we'll continue with this. So guys, are you able to understand? Are you understanding it? So we'll continue now. So let's download some pictures. So we'll just arrange this. We'll select this photo first. We'll select the photo like this first, and then we are going to object. In object, you'll be having so many other options in that power clip, and in that power clip inside frame. So whichever you select in this four, it'll go to that particular place like this. And after that, you can arrange it properly how you want. So decrease the size and you can arrange it properly like this. Now you give set here, and it will set to that object and remove the stroke like this. Okay, you are doing the same thing for other diamond shapes also. So just get that, take those images. I'm dragging it here. Increase a little. Increase the size. First select it and go to object and power clip and place inside frame. So you can place inside it. So I'll just decrease and let me see. So we have to increase it. So then we'll to arrange it like this. Increase it little like this. Arrange it properly. Increase it. Arrange it properly. Now you can give this stop editing content. It will fit to frame. Now you can delete the stroke. And after that, what you need to do is you should put those other two pictures also like this. Object, go to object, power clip and place inside frame. Place it like this. So increase the size little. So now take this editing and click on the picture. Increase a little. Increase the size of it. Increase a little. So now you can give this set object. So it placed. So like this you can put the pictures. So just put it out and select the image. Go to object, power clip and place inside frame. Place inside this frame, and if you want to edit this, just take this edit and you can edit it by using it. Just take this stop editing, click on the stop editing and remove the stroke. So now you can set like this. So only now you have to do it here. So this is for first part, and second part you should do it here. Now you can delete the stroke for this also. So you can delete it like this. It looks like this. So same thing you should do it to here. So now we can just group it till here, control G. So you can group it like this till here it has grouped. Now we'll do to this part also. And now I'm giving this color to fill color to this part. And now what I'm doing is I'm just for this outer color I'll give as a gray, something like that, a little grayish like this, little grayish like this. So if I long press I can till gray like this. Okay, so after that, so after giving to this color, so giving color to this, and I'm just taking text tool now. So I'll be telling openings. So I'm just telling about the openings. So I'm just typing here as a in caps, building career with us. Because I'm just typing like this. I'm just typing like this, and now I'll to marks also like exclamatory mark like this. So now what I'll do is I just select this and I'll give the font as Times New Roman, and I'll just increase the size, and I'm giving the font color as white, stroke also white. I'm doing bold, and for only for this career I'm selecting only. So I'm selecting this and I'm just giving this color to it. So like this. So I'm just giving like this, and after that what I'll do is so will be so will be so I'm taking a text tool again here, and I'm just So I'm taking text tool and I'm typing here. So I'm just doing it like this. So first I'll paste this. So I just time I'll give the and I'll just so and I'm just bolding it and I'll give the color as white. So like this, and after that I'll be just giving I'll again I'm taking text tool and I'm just typing here as over 50, somewhat like if you think it's 50 or 10 1 4 like how much ever you think, give that much. 50 position opening, 50 position, I'll give like this. So again I have to change the give the and I'm giving the color as blue here. So I'm placing it and I'm making little big and I'm placing it here. So let me so after we'll be we'll be mentioning the positions also here which and all we are hiring for. So I wrote I mean I gave 50 position. So building career with us we are hiring over 50 position open. So after giving this we have to mention for what we are opening, for what and all we have to mention some of few positions, and after that we can just address it. So we'll just give the positions here, and after that we can just give walk-in interview by this time, this timings to this, and on this date to this date, like that we can just address it like that, and after that we can give the informations here to call or to mail or to something like that we can give it here. First we'll give the positions also now. So for that I'm taking a text tool here. Take the text tool, and after that what you need to do is, and you are writing the positions here. So write the positions as a somewhat write something manager, and after that and that should be in the caps. manager, and again first letter should be in the caps. Assistant assistant teacher, let me write. And again supervisor, so supervisor, and next accounting, and after that, so first we'll arrange it like this, and we'll just give the and bold it and give the color as white, place it properly. So and after that, and this is for position 1, we can give it like this, and position 2 we can give other also like this. So somewhat like this, you have to mention the jobs also here like this. You should mention the jobs, and it's very important to mention the jobs. It's important to mentioning the job. By seeing that, if anyone have, I mean like if anyone wants to join, they can join it. So here for us, for address, so I have grouped this, control U, I'll ungroup this, and I just, font is not Roman here, Times New Roman, I'll give font as Times New Roman, and after that, let me increase this, so it should be here like this. And after that, what I'm doing is, I'll just take one circle like this, just taking, if I want a perfect circle, so I'm putting here, I'm taking pick tool, I'm putting here, and I'll just take one picture, I'll just download one picture, I'll insert this, so I can insert these pictures also. So insert these pictures, so again you have to select this, go to object, and here you will be having power clip, so place inside frame, just place it. So go to this edit power clip, select this, and increase the size, just arrange it like this. So just give stop editing, now it will set like this, and remove the stroke for it. Remove the stroke for it. After that, what you need to do is select the full thing and just remove the stroke. So you'll be getting this. And what you need to do is just group this both, group it both, control G for grouping, and you should do it for the other sides also now. Should do that same thing, you have to do that for the other side. So now what you will do is you need to do the same triangle. Let me draw the same triangle here. So first what I'll do is I'm taking pen tool only. So here I'm drawing this triangle. I'm giving the color as blue like this. And after that what I'll do is I'm just drawing the same triangle here. And I'll draw it from this side. So I'll just delete this. So just take the pen tool now, and do it for this side. So I'm doing it for this side now. So just meet the end point, node point, and give the color as. And now again you can, you can, so we'll just delete this, and we'll just triangle like this. We'll do the triangle like this, and we'll give the color like this. And after that, again we'll take pen tool, and here I can give the color like this. And again take the shape tool for this, and increase the size little like this. Increase the size like this. This should be. And now what you need to do is just we need to put the address there. So again we have to, we'll just take the diamond shapes. We'll just put some pictures there, pictures there. So I'm taking a diamond here. So take the diamond, decrease the size, the diamond here, decrease the size, and put the diamond here, and press Ctrl D, and take the pick tool and press Ctrl D and arrange it like this. I'll give only 3 diamonds here. So let me give only 3 diamonds here. So like this. So I'll give only 3 diamonds. So I'll be giving like this. So for this also we'll be giving some pictures related to it. So related to designings and all. So we can give pictures to it. Save it and take the picture. Save it. Take the picture and save it again. Save it. Just take the picture and drop it here, and go to object, power clip, inside this. So go to editing, take that picture, increase the size, put it there. This is what you stop editing. So remove the stroke for it. Again you're doing the same thing there. Take the picture. So take the picture and go to object and power click place inside. So place inside to this. Take the editing option, take the picture, decrease the size a little, place it properly. So stop editing and remove the stroke. And now and take the picture and drag it, drop it here and take the object, go to object, power click, place inside frame, place it like this and take this edit and select that, just increase the size, put it here, stop editing. Now remove the stroke. So you can just remove the stroke like this. So you made like this, and after doing like this, so you have to do now, you have to give the information here now. So take the text tool now and now give contact. So give white color to it and increase the font size. So here you have to give the blue color. So give this and arrange it properly there. Arrange it here and you have to give the font also like Times Roman contact. So now give the contact number as 123456789 something like that. And if you are doing it for your own purpose means you can give the color also. So I'm placing it here. I'll just decrease the size of this number little. I'll little increase. So now I'll put below this and after that again I'll give mail ID also. So mail, select this, select everything, select everything and change the font and give the color also. Take the pick tool, increase the size little, give it here and take the text and you can give the mail XYZ at gmail.com like that. You can give something like that. So just select the text and give the text as, and now give the color also and put that here. So you can give it like that, and after that you can give website also. At last, website should be in the caps. So shift W website. So select everything, and now Times New Roman, and give the color. Take the pick tool, increase a little, and place it there. And now take the text tool again. You can give something like www.hsaviation.com, like that. So you can give it like that. Select everything, give that as Time New Roman, and take the pick tool, arrange it properly like this. After doing everything, just arrange it. And you can give the company logo here. So here you can give the company logo also here. So you can just give that. So however you want, you can just give that. Yeah. So you can give company logo, something like this you can give. So Control D, take the picture, something, Control D. So select everything. I'll be giving white color, and I'll decrease the size. I'll put here, and increase the points also. This will be my logo. So and after doing it, you can just put some QR codes also here, like if they want to recognize your contact details or come to that particular locations, like that you can put some QR codes here. So I'm just really removing the strokes here. So this will be your, now this will be your brochure. So everything. So after that what you need to do is select everything, select everything, and group it, Control plus G, and you will be getting your brochure like this. And this will be your brochure, company opening brochures. Just like this, you can do any brochures. So you can do any brochures like this. So this is the simple brochure which I said. So you can do for hospitals and menu cards also. You can do like this. So many other brochures also. So I I hope everyone got this. So tomorrow we'll be doing some other new topics also. So I hope everyone got this. Did you got this, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Mm. So after grouping, you can just save it. Go to file menu and you can save this. You can save it as brochure. Brochure, and can save it, and you can do this for your own company. If you are opening your startup, starting up with something your own, you can do posters, logos, and brochures like this. You can, for your own purpose only, you can do it. So this will be very helpful. And if you are joining as a graphic design for other companies also, you can do it. So okay, enough. So we'll